AP Stats. It was actually exam. It was actually the first question out of the box. And so a grocery store manager selected 11 customers to investigate how long it took for the customers to get through the checkout line. So they gave this data here along with the least squares regression line. So I'm going to have a couple of things here which will correspond with questions later on. So just ignore the writing on the picture for now. But so anyway, so you've got customers per line going across, and then we're relating it to the time in seconds until that person can get through and we can clear out the checkout. So the first question then is this. Actually, they don't even ask you a question. They give you some data down here. So, so this is the actual stuff from the least squares regression line. I've got a constant here. Now remember, the coefficients here are actually the numbers coming out of, this is the data here that you're going to use if we were to be asked what the least squares regression line was. The constant part is going to be your y-intercept, and then the customers in line part over here will end up being the coefficient in front of x, which will turn out to be your slope. Okay. Our squared regression value here is going to tell us something, and we'll talk about that here in a second. Actually, it's the first question, if I'm remembering correctly now, if everything has sorted itself out. So identify and interpret the context estimate. Oh, actually, it's the second question. In context, the estimate of the intercept for the least squares regression line. So as I indicated just before, it is the constant coefficient.